Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is fourth or fifth episode of Weekly Review. In today's video we'll be talking about our trades that we took throughout the week and try to understand if we can learn something out of it. So welcome back. As you all know, we're trying to grow a small $500 account and see how far we can take it and hopefully not blow it up in the process. And that's the goal, my friends. Is it easy? You know, when I started trading, I thought it'll be easy, I'll be profitable in first day or first month, but that's not the case. It's a journey and a long one as well. So if someone thinks of trading as making money quick, I think that's a wrong approach because it is time consuming, especially day trading or intraday. Alright, now as you all know the format of the show, we do a weekly analysis of what happened throughout the week, how many trades we took, did we follow our plan, and that's the goal. So in order to get started, let's custom period. What day was Monday? Yeah, Monday. Oh, this is the week. Okay. Alright. As you can see, total trades taken throughout this week, only 4 or 5 trades. I realized one thing, more trading doesn't mean making more money. It's in fact the opposite, it's complete opposite. If you think you take more trades, pressing the button again and again, clicking the button and try to make more money, that doesn't work. I had a decent week, I'd say. Nothing fancy. One before this was a nightmare. I'll have to check this. Sorry about that. Alright. Yeah, I had to check the WhatsApp because something happened at the store. I'll go in details. I'll have to talk to my business partner and see what happened exactly. But someone just threatened us. We got a new fresh paint on our store, and someone's saying that get this off. That's odd. I'll show you what color we got. Can I move this? Nah. This is the color we got. Done. See this guy? He's a regular customer too. Yeah, so we'll check that. It's way too hot. I was saying it's way too hot here because our building stopped the cooling system because we are entering winters. But you know how in Winnipeg weather is very fluctuating for the least. Alright, let's look at the whole month of September too because September just ended. So let's check that first and then we'll jump into so the whole month I've lost minus 66. Okay. I cut trades before take profit. It's very rarely you can see only one take profit happened throughout the week or throughout the month, and that gave me 41.84. What happened was I moved away from screens, I put stop loss, I put take profits, and that's about it. I did not monitor or actively risk manage. I put a break even on the trade, and that was it. And that worked in my favor somewhat. Custom period last week. Let's start the weekly review without any talking further. Okay, let's move this back here. I want to see what's going on. All right. That doesn't sound right. And with that, we have just entered October. It was my birthday yesterday. I've realized now that I've turned 26, the excitement for birthdays have gone completely. You know, as a kid, it'll excite me so much. I'd be happy weeks in advance, excited that my birthday is coming. Now that's gone. Interesting how life changes. Alright, let's get into this. 29th, took 2 trades. Same bias, buy, got stopped out on one, and the second one I managed risk because it didn't go in my favor. Alright, so the analysis was simple. Resistance here. Support somewhat here. As you can see, the price was clear uptrend. So I thought price just took support, right? Price took support here somewhere at 33. Let's see, 3813. It took support and created this candle, solid green candle with volume, right? So I thought the price should continue to push up, and I enter with 5 cent lot, thinking if it continues to push up, our resistance is right there and gives us what, 76 pips. So that was a simple game plan, but what happened was I entered with the close of this candle. I let the price make lower wick, and then when it started pushing up, I entered right here at 382198. Yeah, $3,821.98 is where I entered. Oh, sorry. Break even stop loss after certain pips captured. How many pips did I capture? Okay. I sell 2 cents here, and then I also sell 2 cents here, then 1 cent. Yeah, that makes sense. The problem still prevails. I need to wait before I do my break evens. I do very early break evens, I've realized, which is making me lose money. So the first trade was positive, and price did kept pushing up after creating this small doji kind of candle, I'd say, with big range. Look at the range on this thing. Let's jump to 15 minutes and see if it was any different. Yeah, 15-minute was a mess. Candles printing sideways, and then look at this liquidity candle, wick. This must have taken a lot of stop losses out. Let's move back to 30 minutes. So that was that, and then I thought the price is pushing up, relying on New York volume. I thought it'll still keep pushing up because I don't see any resistance to the left. Price was making all-time highs. So yeah, some of you might think why my timing's off. That's cause my broker server has this timing set, so I cannot change it. So I'm stuck with this. I think it's GMT -3. I'm not sure. So, but I wake up. I know I'm trading New York Open, so this doesn't bother me yet much. And then price did consolidate here for a bit and then break out again, retest, and then goes up. Okay, next day, 30th, one trade. I remember this trade very well because I was at my store auditing. I went to my store at 6 in the morning to inventory audit because it was long due, so I thought we'll get that done and I'll trade on side. We open our store at 9, but that day we thought we go early at 6. We get 3 hours of time to get everything counted. Everything in store got counted that day. That's when it was taken. Okay, let's do analysis on this bad boy. Strong resistance up there. So what I thought that day was the price just kept moving down in the London session. As you can see, moved $74 down. Kept pushing down without any green candle. So, and then New York Open comes in. Price started moving up, took this support, and when this candle broke above this red candle, I waited for the candle to close, make lower wick, and then I enter. Price started pushing up, took some profits, secured some profits here. Let's see how many pips. 55 pips secured here. As you can see, how much I bought. Oh, I buy only 2 cent, eh? Yeah, I bought 2 cent, took 1 cent off, so $5 secured here, and then I allowed the rest to run. That sounded odd, but yes, that's what happened here. I let the 1 cent run. I was trailing the stop loss. At one point I had my stop loss somewhere here, and then the stop loss gets hit. Yeah, I think this weekly review thing is helping me a bit. Now I'm able to remember my trades better. I know what exactly I did and what was my thought process. So I think there is some good to it. Alright, one trade and called it a day, then started doing my inventory audit at the store next day. And then October, how come oh wait. Yeah. The moment I entered this trade, I realized it's a wrong trade and then exited only with 77 cents. Okay, I'll tell you how I knew it was a wrong trade. Resistance here. Let's see. Okay, even this. Price did print it sideways and then broke up below this support. And when price kept moving down, I entered for the sell side. The reason I say it was a wrong trade, because for some reason I thought at that point that, oh, it's too early of an entry. But if you look now, the analysis was right. Price did keep pushing down till this level, but If I would have stayed in the trade, I would have been stopped out anyhow because of this red wick. I think I need to give my stop loss a bit more room, but here's the thing with small accounts. If I go with bigger stop loss, more room for each trade, I'll have less trades before it blows up, before my accounts blows. October 2nd, I did not trade at all. Birthday, so got busy with that. And then, for the first time ever, I traded London session. First time I traded London session. Price created this support, took support, and was coming close to the resistance. And I thought that London session will give me enough volume that the price will keep pushing up, and then you can see price clearly consolidated for good. 5 good hours it kept consolidating. So I entered, and then this somewhere here I exited some position and then put it on break even. And that's that. This week wasn't too happening. One losing trade, 2 winning trades. I won't count anything below 5 as winning or losing. I think my analyses are getting better, I would say, but at the same time, I need to learn a lot more. I'm enrolled into the MFU right now, which is Market Fluidity University. I highly recommend that. It's a simple concept of support and resistance. That's what I learned, that's what I use, and I think that has done me good so far. So thanks for joining. This was another episode of Weekly Reviews with Raj. Hope you get to learn something out of this video. I hope this makes some sense to you. I come here weekly to discuss my trades, tell you about my journey, and hopefully you guys get to learn something out of this. So, thanks for joining. See you in the next one. Peace.